How do I write a SQL query and submit it for grading? Let's run through a quick example that will show you where to write the code and how to submit it for grading. Of course, we are going to read the instructions. Highlighted words will probably be part of the query. Watch for detailed information. Now, let's write the query. I'm going to include some mistakes so that you can see how the graders work. Write the query in the code window. Then, run the query. Errors such as writing the code in the wrong place, misspellings, or incorrect punctuation will be caught by the Postgres grader. You will see these messages in light red. Correct the errors and run the query again. A successful query will produce a table, shown in yellow below the code. Now submit the query to the NCLab grader. This grader checks to see if the question was answered correctly. In this case, we created the table, but we used the wrong criteria. Correct the query, rerun, then resubmit. This time the query passed the NCLab grader. We are now ready to go on to the next question. If you get stuck, try reading the hints, or use the back arrow to reread the tutorial pages. We hope you enjoyed these introductory exercises. NCLab's practice-intensive method will help you build a solid foundation in PostgreSQL and uncover the power of data.